I'm currently filming with my GoPro, trying it out because it's waterproof, and right now it's raining, as you can see on the water up here. Just a little bit of rain. A good amount though, too much for my other camera. I hope that I could actually film some more stuff outside in the rainy weather and possibly film more of, well, whenever it rains and we have a lot of water coming through here, maybe we can work on directing the water to erode away places that might have bottles. Well, anyway, I just came out here to pick up that wheel that I found a while back and forgot about. It's so difficult to use this camera because I don't know, like I don't have a lens to see what it's pointing at, just going by eye. I brought my little soil probe, but I also brought my bigger one, and I'm finding the big one actually works pretty well. So this one is a bit longer. So it's not good for actually like walking like a walking stick. I find that having a shovel really helps. Like if I had to get up here, it would be difficult without a shovel. But if you have like a walking stick or shovel, it's easy to put that in there, then you have like something to hold on to. And plus whenever you're crossing things, you can use it to feel around to see how soft the ground is where you're going to step. But with this, it's a bit short and it kind of just goes through everything. Now I've heard that this camera is waterproof, so let's go over here and dunk it underwater and see how the audio goes. Oh, that's interesting. So that stuff is all falling down. It's really falling down there. This entire thing's gonna go pretty soon. Yeah, so do a water test, and mostly I'm interested in the audio. So I pulled it out and I'm going to speak now, and I ought to see later on, but however it does now is however fast it drains. I believe the water should drain away pretty quickly though, and I hope the audio comes back, although I do know that, well, not know, I worry that some water will stick into it and make it difficult to hear. Try blowing on it. See if that makes any difference. We can be a judge after I film this. It's starting to come up a little bit. I notice it's getting a little bit more murky, or a little bit more discolored. So that means things are being kicked up into the water from the falling rain. Oh, I guess I can actually use this to hold myself if I go down far enough and find something. That's kind of helpful. I believe, judging by the indentation, that the stream used to come through here. But then it slowly moved, and so this is all stuff that was put down, sediment, I mean. This is a big muddy fucking mess. Yeah, I should have brought a shovel. If I wasn't so concerned about staying clean, I could get up there easily, but it's a hassle when you don't want to get your hands or anything dirty. And when you're holding a camera and you don't have a good walking stick. You know what? I think I've deserved the quick exit. I'm just gonna go through this empty lot up here. I'm not sure who owns it, but oh well. That was awfully far away. Well, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya!